Hey guys, welcome to lesson 12, 3,000 words. Let's learn 30 words together as usual. Arrive. Arrive in or arrive at. Arrival. They arrived at the station 20 minutes ago. Hole. Watch out, a hole. Wake up, woke up, woken up. I wasn't able to wake up. August. August is my favorite month. Ignore. I would ignore him if I were you. Key. Have you seen my keys? Pasta. Let's have pasta for lunch today. Shout. Shout at. Stop shouting at me. Turn. Turn on, turn off. She turned and looked at me. Future. This is my future house. Bite, bit, bitten. Frostbite. He was bitten by a dog. Church. We have a modern church in our village. Code. I can't remember the code. Single. She's still single. Channel. What is your favorite channel? Live. Live. Such as broadcasting. She doesn't live here. Life. My life is a disaster. Thought. Whose thought was that? White. They recommended me to paint it white. Think, thought, thought. What are you thinking about? What do you think of her? Age. She cannot accept her age. Cup. Let's get a cup of coffee. Grapes. Grape. Those grapes are so sour. Sea. Overseas. I want to spend this summer by the sea. Lend, lend, lend. Can you lend me your car? Swap. Let's swap the seats. I can't see anything. Narrow. These roads are too narrow. Sprout. Brussels sprouts. I usually add sprouts to my salad, and that's true. Brush. Have you brushed your teeth?